In this video, I'll show how to reverse the swing of the doors on your refrigerator. You'll need these tools: 6-in-1 screwdriver, a pair of channel locks, and a T20 bit. First step is to remove these two screws using a 1/4-inch nut driver. Then remove the top part of the hinge and take the door off. Then remove the middle hinge that operates the bottom door and the freezer door. It also is going to use a 1/4-inch nut driver. Then, after removing the hinge, the middle hinge, take the door, refrigerator door off, and remove the bottom hinge. It's going to need a T20 socket or T20 bit. After you have the doors removed and the hinges removed, you will need that T20 bit to remove these top two screws, these middle two screws for the middle hinge, and these bottom two screws for the bottom hinge. You'll also need to remove the handles from the doors. It requires a Phillips screw, a Phillips, but you'll need a knife to remove this panel with a screw cover, and it's going to require a T20. After you remove the handle, you'll need to remove these plastic plugs on the opposite side to fill the holes you're about to change. Also, on the bottom, you'll need that T20 bit to replace the hinge bracket. Okay, I've already attached the hinge brackets to the bottom door and the freezer door. I've attached the bottom hinge to the middle hinge. I just have a screw set here where it slides in, and then I can attach the second screw. Of course, the top hinge is just 2 screws. I've removed the plug, which is going to house where the hinge goes, and put it over here. We don't need it over here anymore. Now I'm ready to attach the middle hinge. And thusly, slides in like so, and the second screw. Finally, I'll just replace the freezer door, line it up with the bracket, set it on the hinge, and these 2 screws you'll need a 1/4-inch nut driver for the top hinge. Sets in like so, and the 2 screws. Just tighten up these last 2 screws. Then we put the handles on, and this refrigerator is done. Okay, I have the handles on. This refrigerator went from a left swing to a right swing.